What is up, my family, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. What is up, my team? If you can hear my voice, please go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right now. Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat if you can hear your boys speak right away. What is up, team? Man, we are back for the week. I'm super excited to see what's going to be happening here, man. Let's go, and let's go. Stupid Bitcoin, what is up? Great hook for the show intro, my bro. Thanks so much, man. I'm trying my best to do the whole production, right? That's actually people ask me all the time, who's that in the music, right? It's actually me. All the music you hear, all the production you see, all the imagery, everything is completely original to the Arca Bulls brand. So what is up, Michael? Good to see you. Devin Concepts, what is up? Just Mike, let's go. Samantha H, it's been a while since I seen you. Let's get it. It's good to see you here. Options, my bro. Diego R, DJ, what's up? Jimmy Bauer, dude. Yeah, man, I just answered your question too, right, buddy? Good to see you there. Susan Michaels, my girl, what is up? And guys, check this out. Onion Ring is coming to us with the live market updates right now, giving us the prices. Check it out. Onion Ring is saying that AMC is currently at $4.57 in the 24-hour market, and GME is up to $25.23 right as we speak right now. Is that really the truth right now? My goodness, let's go. What is up, Devin? Oh, man, I love it. Omar, dude, saying hi, just joined this group. I love it, man. Thank you so much for coming on by. Really appreciate you here. Really appreciate everybody for coming on by, guys. So, yeah, why don't we start lighting up the mood here, man, and start. I got a few things to talk to you about, right? Before we get into the technicals and all that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some things online, because I would like for you guys to give me your opinion over a few things that I've been catching that are just of massive potential, right? I mean, these catalysts could be of massive potential is really what I'm trying to say. But let's go ahead and continue here. Coin Fox, what is up, my brother? Good to see you there. John, good to see you there as well. And Christopher Stead, what's up, man? What's up, guys? I know that I'm trying to catch everybody in here, right? I have my Arca Bulls trading team also on the side in the Discord, presently viewing the stream right now in real time as well, right? So I'm sorry if I missed you, but I love it. Thank you so much for coming on by. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and everything will be good, right, team? So why don't we just go ahead and start this thing right now, because the room is already pretty much full in the first freaking 3 minutes, right? So what's up, Tahoe Joe? Good to see you here, man. What's up? Aw, man, what's up, Sub? Good to see you in there too. So guys, thanks, Jimmy. I really appreciate you, man. Dude, I really try my best, man. I want to try to provide not only good content for the stock reading, but also the freaking tunes, man. Smoke screen, let's go. What is up, my bro? Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and pop out this secondary screen right here. Let's get rid of the logo and start taking a look at this, guys. Who can validate or who can verify this right here? Take a look at what's being said right here. Somebody just posted this in the Discord today, and saying GME last Friday, GameStop S3 release mentioning 70 million share offering, right? So which BBBY docket mentioned as well, and it's way to acquire companies with issuance of GME shares. Is this true? So in other words, Ryan Cohen has the shorts by the balls, or what? Susan Michaels, thank you so very much for that dono. I love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I will tell you this, even if you were to donate here like $1.99, the algorithm in YouTube will absolutely start favoring the Arca Bulls trading team, so that we can start expressing our knowledge and start speaking to the world in a louder voice, right? Make sure to get everybody in here. Let's make sure that the entire community knows how to trade the financial markets the right way, the institutional way. If you're curious to do that, come in, join us right away. All right, team. So I'm going to go ahead and create here the link, as I always forget to do this, right? I'm going to make sure to create it here so that you guys are able to click on that link right away and join the Arca Bulls trading team. Join the server, right? Make sure to subscribe with your laptop or PC first, okay? first with your laptop or PC, and then everything will be accessible to you on your phone. All right, guys. So there is the link. Make sure to click that, and it's also in the description below. All right, guys. So Devin, good evening to you. French fries, what is up? Thank you so much for coming on by. And yeah. Actually, Stupid Bitcoin is saying this is a mirror of what happened the first time. I have to agree. Right? I have to agree. Daryl, what is up, buddy? Rumor was they also planned to release, e-game division, whatever that means. Wow. Okay, so if that really is the case, there is something in here on the post that I have to share with you that may be insinuating on that. But let's first take a look at this, right? So this is a speculation post that I put up. For those of you who are not following me at Arca Bulls on Twitter X, make sure to do that right away. But check this out. So this had my attention almost immediately. So this guy, Chad Mojo, says speculation post. So this week was insane. On Monday, there was a test environment put in place that tracks routing between exchanges and the CAT system, right? So the CAT system, make sure to read all this stuff right here, right? So let's see. Well, for the past 4 years, retail investors have been screaming about how the price is wrong and the markets are rigged. Turns out we aren't the only ones that think this. Ryan Cohen claims that squeezes don't happen because of value-relevant information, and these market makers manipulate the price for fun and for profit. Here's some more for you to read, right? Market participants disavowed the integrity of the market. All right, but so just read all this stuff, okay? This is on my page. You just follow me and you'll be able to read it, okay? So the problem and disadvantage that we have is that we have no proof, right? Unless there is a crazy market event triggering another squeeze, all while the DOJ is keeping an eye on it through, a CAT test system. I present to you deep fucking value. I'm not a cat. Guys, I'm not saying, using his appearance after 2.5 years, of hiatus right here. Guys, I don't know. But when I read this, I was like, holy crap. And everyone who actually commented on this, this post kind of exploded, and everyone was saying, you know what? Holy cow, this could actually be something. So I don't know, man. I don't know, but this is a little insane. I can't ignore it. It's good enough, right? So So read it for yourself. It's up on my page. Remember that I just posted it maybe about 18 hours ago. All right, you guys. So now, and French fries. Thank you so much, man. That really means a lot. Thank you. He's saying Onion Ring is my brother. He also said Onion Rings ain't got shit on me. I love it, man. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you doing that, because that triggers the algorithm, right? As soon as that triggers the algorithm, that they're saying, well, you know what, there are a couple bucks here that this guy's making, so let's make sure to kind of, tax that a little bit and push the Arca Bulls family up to the very top, which is actually what's been happening over the last week, right? Guys, round of applause, because the Arca Bulls team on YouTube just powered through the 8,000 subscriber resistance, right? We are now at about 8,035 subscribers, guys. Round of applause for that. This is absolutely huge. And the Discord has now powered through 2,100 subscribers as well, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for all of your attention. Thank you so much for all of your support. I'd be nothing without you guys, right? But thank you. Let's go ahead and now look at the next post here, and that's going to take me to my buddy Stonk Vision. So he, if you are going to follow him, just make sure that you follow him at this ad, right? He doesn't even know that I'm mentioning it right now, so he's probably going to get a boost of his followers pretty soon. He's going to be like, what the heck just happened? But anyway, so he actually posted this. He goes, what was Roaring Kitty trying to say all week? Decide for yourself every video and meme in order for you to analyze and decipher. So he shared this. He put it together entirely from the beginning to the very end so that you can watch it just the way it was ordered, okay? But that leads me to the next post. Wall Street Bets, they put up, we might be up to something here. Check this out. So have you seen Roaring Kitty's memes? This girl says, yes, I have. Now shut up. Have you seen them in reverse order? Now there could be something within the Roaring Kitty memes or the videos that he posted in a reverse order. Susan Michaels, thank you so much for your dono. She's saying, everyone make a $199 purchase for Arca. Guys, I got to tell you that that absolutely helps me out so much. It leaves me speechless, and it makes me want to push harder and harder and push together all of these threads of analyses and these whatever it is, right? I'll try my very best for you guys. So please go ahead and do your best for me, however it is, whether it's a like, whether it's a buck, whether it's a subscribe, whether it's you joining the Arca Bulls trading team or joining the ArcMasters course for beginners, whatever it is, do your part. Thank you so much, team, and I will continue fighting here for you guys. So, is this something? Now, because this was mentioned by Wall Street Bets just about 4 hours ago, we now have a response to this from Stonk Vision. So go ahead and follow me at Arca Bulls, right? And you'll be able to see here, he mentioned me, he said, here's a YT video for posts in reverse. So when you go on this, you'll be able to go to the YouTube link where the entire posts that he did have been sequenced from the end towards the beginning so that we can understand what it is, right? So guys, let me just go ahead and share with you another link here because it appears that there is some trouble getting into the Discord. Let me go ahead and share that link right away. And I'll get you in. Sorry about that, guys. Let me go ahead and just generate this link here. There we go. Generate copy, and let me post it here into the YouTube chat. Here you go. Go ahead and do that now, guys. That should be able to work now. Well, thank you. And again, thank you guys so much for coming on by. Please make sure to squeeze that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get this algorithm finesse so that we can get more people into the Arca Bulls trading team so that we can understand how to trade the financial markets the institutional way, the right way. All right, guys. So this is now that link that I'm telling you about. So make sure to follow me. Make sure to follow Stonk Vision. Get your butts in there because this is the official video released in sequence backwards, right? From the very end towards the very beginning. Have you actually seen that? Wall Street Bets actually came up with that thesis, and I'm wondering the same thing myself, right? So it already kind of went viral, right? 228,000 views in just the last 4 hours. Get your butts in there. Let's watch that sequence backwards and see what we can come up with, right? Very interesting. So Stonk Vision has it posted on his page in Twitter X. All right, guys. So. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and now take a look at a couple other things over here, team. There have been a couple questions coming up and a couple concerns coming up in the YouTube comments, right? So this person right here saying, why not GME? I feel like with all the diluting by Adam Aaron, it kills the thesis that held any weight, right? And that was a short thesis, guys. This is Yeah, of course. This is something that can absolutely put some negative weight onto the company. This is, I mean, look at the replies that you're getting here, though, bro. Like this, did you watch his video? Meaning, did you watch my video on GME? And then this guy right here saying this guy is copying hard. If you paid attention the last 2 weeks, they have been running together. Get over it, right? So yes, absolutely, guys. That is the complete thesis right now. A lot of people, yes, you are AMC apes, and there are a lot of people who are GME apes. But the point of the both of them running, guys, is the fight against the crooked actions that are happening in the market. Okay, guys, no, there's no difference here. They want you guys to fight each other. They want you guys to release and go into another and lose. Guys, don't do that. All right, make sure to play this game smarter. Make sure to be smarter than them. Follow your thesis, follow whatever it is. But I will tell you that for right now, GME, yes, it's going to be kind of the one leading the pack so that it can run both of them, right? Remember, AMC didn't start triggering its buy until about $30 or $28 GME. And remember, GME was running from what? Like $9.95. So it didn't go, AMC didn't go until it was about that $25 to $35 valuation, right? So at that point is when AMC started to run. Guys, we are right at that cusp right now. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and move on here to the next comment or next. I want to answer these things for you because I don't have so much time to answer these things all at once, right? As of the last, 2 weeks, the Arca Bulls team has been getting squeezed here, right, by a lot of followers and stuff. So there's a lot of there's a lot of attention and a lot of comments, a lot of mentions, a lot of DMs, and I can't answer everything, so I'm going to do it here as much as I can, okay? It's not going to be everything, but I will try it. I will try my best, all right, guys? So, why are we getting jacked by calls, aka just some bets? This means almost nothing, actually. This only means that people wish it will be at this price, so it is nothing. There's nothing to be jacked about. It would be something if it was, I don't know, actual buy orders. Yes, I agree. But remember, this was something that we discussed early last week. We said OPEX is in the way. The major options expiries are completely taking over the week. So that means that they're going to do anything and everything possible to get the valuation of those contracts that were currently in the money out of the money and have them expire entirely worthless. Guys, that's what happens at OPEX. It's not just GME, it's not just AMC, it is completely every other asset as well. Okay, you guys, so please remember, you got to remember how to play the financial markets because these guys will get you. All right, you guys, so now that we have OPEX out of the way, we explained yesterday in the video. If you haven't seen the videos just yet, check out my video thread of analysis on AMC and GME from this weekend, and you'll be able to catch the options flow, the open interest, and the open interest percentage change for the assets, right, guys? There have been an enormous amount, thousands of call option open interest into deeper and deeper targets. I'm talking about higher targets, okay? So the open interest is changing now that we had this thing expire on Friday. This is why things are starting to move, right? So let's go ahead. That's one for you, Cryptic. I owe you $1.99, buddy. All right, so let's go ahead and run into the next comment here saying... So let's go ahead and run into Raven793 here saying fundamentals and charts are irrelevant at this point. Great strategies, though. Support and resistance is no further needed in this play. Something is coming. This was a reply for the GME asset. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try my best to answer as many questions as I can here, right, from those of you who have posted over the last couple days from those two videos that I released just on Saturday and Sunday, right? So, guys, yes and no. Okay, we can say that, yeah, it doesn't matter anymore at a certain point. Why? Because there is no control any charter or technical analyst or statistician is going to have over the chart when some dude's left ball like itches and says, I'm going to buy 4 million shares of this right now. There's no way in hell anyone is ever going to be able to tell when that happens. Okay, but there are certain signals that the chart does present before things like this happen. How do you think the Arca Bulls team was able to already know that there was an explosive move coming from $9.95? Guys, come on. We were able to see through historical volatility and linear versus momentum that there could be something in line. Now, whatever had to happen in the future happened in order for it to pull that 80% probability. It's not up to me. I don't know what's going to happen, right? But that's the way things kind of work with the charts. I kind of want to just ease off right here because Alfredo said wrong. You're right that these are not fundamental plays, but charts always tell a story if you're looking at it correctly. They do tell a story, okay? But he's not. In my personal opinion, Raven is not wrong either. I'm saying that at certain moments when you're squeezing to the top and there's no control, there's only geometrics and behavior that we can look at for potential resistances. How? Well, we look at things like Fibonacci extensions, right? So we can look at your regularly used extensions. So if we're going to go 61.8% all the way to the upside based from a weekly top, then yeah, we'll be able to potentially see some resistances. But from there, you guys, no. From there, it becomes completely irrelevant. Yes, but let's just go ahead and still study the signals that we have and move on, right? So let's go to the next comment here, guys. And this is going to be from JNK0406 saying, great video. What software are you using to present for the presentation you did? That presentation that I'm doing here, you guys, is actually used by TradingView software. Please refer to the link in the description below that says chart like Arca, and you'll be able to get into TradingView software for free, right? Get their trial period. Check out what they have to offer. I completely stand by them. Okay, you guys? Yes, I am an affiliate, and yes, I am getting points by saying this. Okay, you guys? So just full discretion. But I also have been using it from Arca Bulls day one. All right, next, let's go to the next comment here. All right, so this is actually just to present to you that there is a complete shift in sentiment happening now. As of this weekend, check this out. GME 150 to 200, AMC 50 to 100 realistically, right? We have Let's Go GME right down here. Guys, there is a shift in sentiment happening as we speak. $100 this year. We going higher than that this year. Okay, you guys. So there, you can see this. You can see how the sentiment curves right around when you've potentially hit the very smackdown floor. Now, remember, as far as the technicals are concerned, there is still always the potential of going down to validate support. But you're hearing it from Onion Ring right here. Onion Ring, if you're still there, if you could give us an update on the price for both of GME and AMC, I would greatly appreciate it, my brother. Thank you so much for helping us out with that. So we're just going to go ahead and wait here just for a few seconds, and we'll get the price update for where AMC and GME are currently sitting right now in the 24-hour. Okay, you guys. So next comment, and check this out, right? This is my boy DJ, moderator in here, saying let's fucking go, right? And this is just a quick little off note, just for those of you who are curious. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell working from home after testing positive for COVID-19. Not sure how this is going to affect AMC or GME, but I felt that it was necessary for me to point it out regardless of the fact, right? So, but guys, let me actually just come back. Just let me come back here for just a little bit, and I'm going to display to you the top screen here where I'm observing. So options, my brother, thank you so much. He's saying, wow, these profiles are wild, right? Thank you, my brother. Really appreciate you for giving me that dono. And OZEM pick, what is up, man? Thank you so much. This is that's for Cryptic right there, right? And now this is CoinFox saying long team Arca, join our VIP Discord for 33 cents per day, or as Ian Tucker says, for a Starbucks coffee a month, right? So come learn and trade with us. With the team tomorrow morning. P.S. You need to use your laptop to join. Remember to use your laptop or PC. Join first through that, and then everything will be available through your mobile device. All right, you guys? So thank you, my brother. Really appreciate you. And Concepts is saying, I said I'm not fucking leaving. Bro, let's go. Thank you so much for that dono, my bro. Really appreciate you. And Italian Beef is saying, Chicago Italian Beef for CoinFox. I owe you $2, buddy. Let's go. Ian Tucker, my brother. Thank you so much. He's saying you had me at GTII. Guys, GTII was a play that I started covering, I mean, like a long time ago, right? And I told him, dude, this is going to go down and down and down. And he goes, what? How do you even know that? And then, here we are, right? And Susan Michaels, thank you so much for all the donos. Thank you very much. And guys, so we're going to go ahead and just flip the script here and go back in to the charts and start our technical analysis now. Guys, I absolutely love how full the Discord is right now, how full the YouTube is right now. So I see about 285, almost 300 people live right now. So please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Joe H, my bro, thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate you doing that. This kind of thing, guys, is going to get this algo to absolutely rip. All right, you guys, so we'll get more people in here. We're going to go over the technicals that I presented. For those of you who have not seen it just yet, I want your opinion. I want what you guys are able to see through this. So if I'm not seeing something, please help me out with this, okay? But right now, on the 30-minute time frame, consistent to 1, 2, 3, 4 days of price action here, guys, this is absolutely showing us a falling wedge. The falling wedge pattern is an extremely, right here, extremely bullish pattern. All right, you guys, so this usually price goes insane. Then we have convergence of price. We end up at a low, and then we start seeing the potential explosion coming in soon. So guys, if I missed the valuation right now, let's go ahead and help me out. Somebody type in what the current valuation is for GME and AMC in the 24-hour market, and we'll be able to kind of chart this out right now as we speak, right? But my current targets right now for GME, as I'm talking about from Friday's analysis to Saturday, just what I'm going to update you here with, per this formation, the first target to take profit is 24.52. The second target is taken from the center of the triangle, right? This trend line here, and that would give us a 29.46 valuation. The rear end of this formation gives us a $38.19 valuation. Okay, you guys. So that is where I'm seeing this formation take us. Okay, so check this out. Ian Tucker is currently telling us that we are at 24.21. Look at the target that I just gave you 2 days ago. Guys, you are seeing that the prices that we are talking about here in the Arca Bulls trading team happen. I'm talking about 2 days ago, we were not there. And now we're hitting it as we speak. Let's go. Make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team right away by hitting that link in the chat right now. And I do this day in and day out with you, even though it's aftermarket. The reason why I want to do this here with you is to prove to you that I can read a freaking chart. Okay, you guys, so this is why we're going to do it. If you want to trade like the financial markets, if you want to understand price action like they do, but most importantly, guys, I even have to stand up out of my desk for this. Most importantly, if you want to understand the price action like a short seller does, then join here. Why? Because I am short biased, and I'm going to tell you their fucking play, and I'm going to get you to benefit off of them. So get into the Arca Bulls trading team. I have a bunch of short bias traders in here. We are literally calling the tops on all these plays. Come on by. Make sure to learn the right way. All right, team. Now, I'm going to get back onto my freaking desk and let's go. All right, now let's take a look at the second formation here, right? So this is an hourly formation, and this is a lot of you already know, right? This is called a cup and handle formation. This is literally one of my least favorite formations, but it does have some validity to it. The rejection that we're getting here is roughly around 22.91, but the targets that I presented for the upside are 25.15 to 26.55, which are very much in line with the 24.52, right? So you can see already that we've already reached the target or about to reach it from this hourly time frame cup and handle. That means that price action already did this. Ooh, boom, right now as we're speaking. Guys, join the team. I'll show you how to trade like this. All right, guys. Now, the next thing that I was talking about from 2 days ago is this right here. This formation is one of the most important ones that I have to express to you right now. Why? This is the daily read of GME. All right. So I'm talking about 1 day formation. Okay. That means that, guys, the higher the time frame, the bigger the validity for this. What does that mean? That means that as when you have grain, like 5 minutes and 10 minutes, every single little candle closes for every 5 minutes that you move. That shows a lot of distortion. But when you start looking at daily candles, this quite literally takes a day to close, another day. For my beginners, this is what it means to look at the daily chart, right? So if you're printing out a very bullish formation on a daily chart, that has a bigger strike rate or a better batting average than your 5 minute time frame. This is called a bullish abandoned baby. Yes, I know. Terrible name. I didn't name it, right? I didn't coin that, but it's been in the markets for a long time. And this is usually a run up based on psychological reasons. First of all, this is a buy formation, breakout formation. How is it buy formation? First of all, bullish abandoned baby. Second of all, this is a hammer candle at the bottom side. Usually hammer candles, after a decline, present to us a reversal in price action, which means upside. Ian Tucker, are you able to see the valuation for GME at the current moment? Please let me know what it is. Sebastian Lim is one of my analysts. Sorry, he's saying abandoned baby formation. These formations are powerful. So let's go and get this. Let's go and get this thing figured out. What is the price right now, Ian Tucker? Let me know what the price is for GME as we speak, and we're going to plot it out right here. I think you said 24.21 or 24 something, right? There is a resistance at 24.74 because of the wick low of this candle. Okay, 24.25. Very good. So we're going to plot it out right here. This is where we are right about now. And we were talking about bottoming out at this 22 and then expressing to ourselves a potential gap up into market open this coming Monday. Double X, was that you that I just saw you post, buddy? There you are, saying Powell caught it from smooching with Fauci. Nice, I bet. And Joe H, my bro, thank you so much for the diamond dono, my dude. I appreciate you so damn much. Jay Douglas giving us a 24.17 valuation. Good good. Guys, this is great. Now we're making new local highs. That means that we're going to face a resistance anywhere soon. Are you able to tell where it was prior to that 24.17 or 24.25? I'm blind to it. I can't see it. I'm charting right now with you guys. I don't have the ability to see those prices, but let's go ahead and take a look at those resistance levels coming up, right? Next formation. Let's go down the list again. So this was the only thing that I was reading as bad news. Pay close attention here, guys, because this is how bears get trapped and how bulls win. This is a weekly time frame shooting star formation. This tells us bears are in control, right? Right? Wrong. If your immediate short-term time frame invalidates your weekly, that means your weekly was a bear trap. So we are looking at all this. Let's go back one more time. This is a 30-minute time frame bullish formation. We already reached the target number 1. This is a 1 hourly formation. We already almost reached that target number 1 too, right? So that means we're pushing up and we're pushing up. Next formation, that was a daily time frame formation, and it may actually realize based on its psychological properties. So this means that if we start moving up, your next weekly candle here or 5-day candle is going to start showing upside. Is going to start showing upside. As soon as we start breaking above the open of the prior week's close, which is the one that we just closed, that's going to be the opening valuation up here. Look, it says OHLC, open, high, low, close. Let's go to the open. It says 26.34. As soon as we're above 26.34, this is going to start moving a little bit easier. Look to the left, lots of room to go up, right? Let's go back to this. Look at this. 26.34, we combat that. We have a resistance at 29.46. I don't think this one is going to give it to us. Oh, yes, it will. Good. So 26.34 is already the target. Look at this, 26.55. That's already the target of your immediate short-term time frame cup and handle. Are you starting to see how it all rhymes? Are you starting to see how every different strategy is able to give you a target that's relevant to something else in the financial markets? This is what we do in the Arca Bulls trading team. We're able to match. We're able to use different strategies, merge them all together, and use the higher probability resistances and or supports, whatever it is. We'll use the rhyming and confluence from all of them and potentially put down the higher probability move, whether it's upside or downside, guys. That's the way we do it. And this is why I keep telling you, please consider joining the Arca Bulls the Arca Bulls beginners course. It's a 4 to 5 week crash course that I've condensed from 18 to 19 week. Okay, guys, get in touch with me. The enrollment is going to be closing soon. This is the email, ArcMastersCourse at gmail.com. Now, let's take a look at volatility versus momentum for GME. Where are we as far as that? We can look at it like this. This is going to be your stochastic momentum indicator that's going to give us the bias for direction. And this is my algorithm that I've put together here. This is the volatility heat map in linear. What does this do for us? That sounds like a bunch of big words, Arca. Why are you saying all those words? We don't give a shit about no linear volatility, no crazy mitochondrias or whatever. What are you saying? Okay, the reason this has enormous importance is because this gives us the rate of transactions at a certain moment. So if we're able to identify when people are starting to buy and short altogether, we're going to know that there's immediate movement. This is not directional. Remember, volatility is unidirectional, okay? So we use stochastic momentum to tell us when we're hitting the upside. This top area here is called expansion. The bottom area is called contraction. Expansion means that we're increasing the rate. We're increasing the frequency of buy side and sell side interest as we move on during this time frame. And this is telling us which way we're moving. If we already started to move towards the upside, that means that we're going towards that $24 valuation, $25 valuation. That means that this has shifted towards the upside, and now we're expanding with upside bias. That means quite literally, we are accelerating towards an upside in the immediate short term, which is why I said on the video that I posted just this weekend that AMC has flipped bullish short term. And this is what is happening as we speak. I couldn't wait for that to start happening so that I can show you that that's how the signals work, and we're seeing them work live. All right, you guys. Now let's move on to the hourly time frame. Let me get rid of the drawings here. All right, so this was already arguably pivoted towards a slight upside. So that means that we're going to get a shift towards the upside, and this is going to immediately start expanding too. That, guys, what I'm saying here is this. So when I'm going to draw it in for you like this. Check this out. If you have, say for example, a ripple, we're going to talk a little bit about physics here. If you have, damn it, let's go into, this is cool here. If you have an initial ripple, right, that goes, my Lord, let's go into seconds. Okay, if you have oh my goodness, come on, man, we're going to do this on a new chart. Let's speak about it. All right. So if we have a ripple, your initial thrust, right? This is going to be your immediate short-term time frame. Imagine that we hit the water, a body of water with a wood pallet, right? You're sitting on a still body of water. It is not moving. It is completely still. If you thrust that water with a wooden pallet, that's going to create a ripple. That ripple moves up, and then it's going to cascade and domino effect over and over in time and in distance. Okay? So what happens here is that if the initial thrust from the 5 minute is strong enough, it's going to push into the 10 and to the 15 minute time frames for another ripple. Then, as you start getting the 10 minute and 15 minute to ripple together, that ripple from the 10 and 15 will continue to power into the 30 and to the hourly. So if the hourly thrust is strong enough, that's going to then start feeding into the bi-hourly, 3 hour, and most importantly, the 4 hour pivot. When that 4 hour pivot happens, we're going to be able to start beating the all-time highs, and this is a multi-day upside. So you're going to get that 4 hour ripple, big burst, and this thing is going to lead into your 8 hour, then your 8 hour into the 12, and then your 12 into the daily, and when it reaches the daily and bi-daily, that's going to be the true tell of a huge continuation for a massive explosion. How do I know this? We just studied it on GME for the 5-day volatility versus momentum backtest that a lot of you didn't know that I put out. This is what we were able to see in GME on April 14th this year, because it had a massive contraction phase and there was a huge thrust coming from the immediate short term. So we were immediately saying, whoa, guys, it's April 14th. It's sitting at about $11. This thing is potentially going to drop down to around $9, $10, and we're going to explode to maybe $20 from here. This is why I need you guys to be patient, because these ripples do happen. So where is it now? Let's take a look. We can absolutely look. This whole time we were talking about the ripples of volatility versus momentum. Let's go to the 5-day and see where we are now. Look at what it looks like now. Take a look at that ripple. Huge upside force. We're in the bullish control zone and we're expanding. Do you remember what expansion means? We're continuing the rate or increasing the frequency of returns. We're making huge buy and sell orders as we speak. We've already mean reverted, and we're now busting into the bullish control zone on a 5-day time frame. This is why we were able to tell that we were going to make a massive explosive move from $9. And we are still there. Guys, this is going to flip into the weekly. Check out the weekly now. Look at this. Look at the bi-weekly. Look at this. The bi-weekly is now reading it. So it continues to ripple that way. But that doesn't mean immediate upside. Remember, this is 5 days. We need to see the immediate short term. Let's go to the 30-minute. The 30-minute is still on a decline. The 15-minute was already shifting towards an upside. Let's look at the 5 upside. Yep. 10-minute upside. Yes. 15-minute slight upside. Yes. 30-minute, not quite. That means it's rippling from the 5-minute like we just explained. Right there. 5-minute thrust, huge bounce to the upside, massive contraction. We're going to get the expansion here soon. That's going to start rippling into the 10-minute. The 15-minute is going to get it. The 30-minute is going to feel it, which is already happening because we're noticing in a 24-hour market that this thing is moving. Check it out. Susan Michaels just posted GME 2455. What were our targets in the freaking first place? Let's take a look. What was the target that we were saying 2 days ago that GME was going to be at? Right there. $24.52. Look at what Susan Michaels just printed into the chat right above. Right here. $24.55 is where we just hit at the current minute. I'm telling you guys that there is a way to read the markets. There is a way to understand price action before it happens. It's not a guarantee. It's telling you that statistics meet geometrics, they meet psychology, and they meet discretion. How are you able to pair all of those things together is beyond me. That's going to be you. But I am here to show you and to inspire the inner trader in you. But I will tell you one thing, you guys. The best traders in this world, came from an absolute, I mean, it's not everyone. It's not everyone, okay? It is definitely not everyone, but I can tell you that a lot of them came from a lot of negative. A lot of the traders that I train, a lot of the traders that I know have come from a very dark place. And I have trained them to understand, to separate themselves from the financial gain. That sounds weird, right? You're here because of the financial gain. Hell no. You got to look at this like a puzzle. If you're able to reach the inner child, if you're able to reach your inner child and put in that love, that ability to solve a puzzle or to play a video game or to swim or to do whatever, painting, and you apply it to the trading craft, you'll be able to succeed beyond your wildest dreams. Put aside the financial gain on this, and you'll be able to trade just like the Arca Bulls trading team. Guys, I love it. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming on by. I'm just going to remind you here to please hit that like button. We're reaching 320 people right now on the live stream, and I got to tell you, that's an all-time high for me. And I absolutely love it, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and move on to AMC and now revert back into understanding what this was saying as well. We have a similar thesis on AMC. A lot of guys wanted to know, a lot of people wanted to know, what is AMC doing? Guys, let me know what the price is for AMC at the current moment on the 24-hour market. I think Robinhood suspended that, right? Yeah, they did. They suspended that crap. So let's go ahead and type it in here. Anyone in the Asian markets, I think Sebastian Buddy, if you can see it, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Hedge Fund Killers, my bro. Dude, good to see you again. Thanks for coming on by. Let me take a sip of this water. CoinFox is one of my analysts inside of the Arca Bulls trading team, and he's saying $36 target for AMC if it really goes. Woo, boy. Let's go. Aaron saying Peggy, right, from 10 cents to $3, man. That was another one that we were trading, bro. Very, very, very good upside in that. So, guys, let's go ahead. Jay Douglas is telling us that Interactive Brokers has a 24-hour market. Seb, if you're in here, guys, yeah, Seb is telling us right now. Here, I'll be able to show it to you like this. Check this out. I have a 37-inch wide vertical display next to my 49-inch curved monitors, the OLEDs, and I'll be able to show it to you. So don't be afraid when you look at it, right? It's going to look a little bit different here. So let's see. I'm going to bring it up here. Let me see if I could still bring it up. Do I still have it programmed? Here's the portrait. Let's get rid of that. And I'm not showing the portrait anymore, guys. Sorry about that. But yes, right now, AMC is currently at, where are you at? $4.65. So it's already moving up from the valuation that we talked about, right? Check it out. This is where it is right about here. Let's go ahead and plot it out so that we know where it is. Right there. This is where it's at. We closed at 434 and now we're moving up. All right, team, let's go ahead. You guys are able to see my screen, right, guys? Yeah. All right. I just wanted to make sure. AMC right now, $4.34. So it is getting a little volatile right now, right? Are you guys able to tell, Seb, are you able to tell where it was? Wow. All right. So it's showing, Interactive Brokers is showing 466 too. All right. It doesn't matter. It's going up. That's the point, is that we were able to knock the bottom, right? FW, thank you so much. Let's see. So, but if GME is going to do this, all the penny stocks are going to explode like they did in 2021. Well, yeah. Well, the thing is, it's not all of them. The thing is that remember, AMC and GME they're not the biggest squeeze plays in the world. In fact, FFIE just over the last few days has surpassed the percentage that GME went, and it went what? I think GME hit about an 8,324% gain over the span of about 2 weeks. It's not the gain though. It's the market transparency in the fight against crooked markets. That's why AMC and GME exist, and that's why there's so many people in it. Because it turned into this huge multi-million retail participant movement. Right, you guys? So, oh my goodness. Yeah, hedge fund killers, let me know which one it is, buddy. We'll take a look at it too. Thank you, Sean J, saying new sub. Really appreciate you. So, all right, currently sitting at about $4.60, $4.34, around that range. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next thread of analysis here. And this is going to be AMC's 5-day formation. Guys, this one here is something that I explained in my video, as this is a massive reason for it to continue to an upside. This here is a tri formation, a bullish tri formation breakout. Now, that is the term buy or bullish or bearish, buy formation, tri formation, quad formations are coined by me. This is something that if you hear it out in the wild, know that I coined it. All right, you guys. So this means that we're facing a tweezer bottom. This is the tweezer bottom. It is a very bullish formation. Not only is it a tweezer bottom, but it's also an outside green bar. Now, it's not only the outside green bar. This also shows us a hammer candle after this downtrend here. And this downtrend. This is why we're able to identify 3 bullish formations built into one. And remember what I just told you. I just told you that the upper time frames are usually the time frames that get this thing to pop to the upside with a bigger strike rate, with a better batting average. How is that possible? Let me get it down. I'll do it for you, buddy. Let me see. I got you. All right, so how was that able to be done? I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this thing is not clipping. How's that, buddy? Feels a little bit better now, right? The audio is not clipping as much. There we go. Audio quiet in your background? Awesome. The audio's better? All right, thank you, Landon. Thank you guys so much. I want to make sure that I can favor everybody here, right? I'm going to keep it at a nice balance and make sure that everyone can understand what I'm saying. Turn down the volume and all that good stuff. Hedge fund killer saying, Arca, I love you, brother. Just slow up on GME and AMC for a moment. I think I found the next big thing that we all can afford to get into and can squeeze to 50 from cents. Brother, I would love for you to share with me what that is, and I'll put it together. I want to go ahead and go over that with my analysts, so please come by onto the Discord, and I'll have you converse with us about that, and we'll put it out as a video. Absolutely, I want to know what it is. Okay, you guys. So remember, right now is just a little bit crazy because we have a whole new set of bag holders. We got people here nervous about their positions that they're like, man, I'm going into the 5% deep, 10% negative, 15% negative. I want to know what's going on, right? So I want to make sure that the team is with me, and I want to make sure that they can get us, that they can get to their information. But hedge fund killers, I want to know what it is. Go ahead and tell me as soon as you can, my brother. Oh, dude, come on, baby. Look, wait. Hold on just a sec. Look at this. Hold on. Look what your boy is already doing. You remember the profile, right? Volatility versus momentum. Check it out. Slow your roll, baby. I'm already back testing it. Dude, way ahead, baby. I'm already looking out for the team. I got you, hedge fund. That's right. No. Look at it. I'm already running. This is actually going to be the 5-day. I know I have it in a 3-day, but I'm already running the 5-day volatility versus momentum back test on Barnes & Noble Education, right? So yes, I absolutely agree. This is the next play that I'm working on. I'm already working on it with the analysts as well. I've already talked to them about this. Not everyone, but I've already mentioned it out there. Anthony, what is up? Good to see you in here. Thank you so much for coming on by. Hound is saying, I think BLNK could have some under the radar potential too. Hound, we need to get into the analyst thread and talk about these plays. I'm already putting these things together so that we can get the next play into the Abner, my bro, dude, good to see you again, man. It's been such a long time, buddy. I hope work is okay. I hope your family is okay. Dude, I was fearing for your life for a little bit. You never showed up again, right? But I'm so happy that you're here, man. I thought you were getting blown away over there, but you're good. I'm so happy that you're here, man. Mark Roach updating us with the price of GME currently at $24.45. Thank you so much for that, my bro. And yes, so guys, keep this in your radar, but I am going to put together a thesis on this, and I am going to release the new video on Barnes & Noble because there is apparently a huge amount of short interest in this. There are a bunch of shares on loan. I don't know, right? But I'm going to go ahead and put it all together. But yes, I've already started back testing the entire thing for us to understand what the standard deviation moves are going to be, what the upper bound moves are going to be, what the thrust is going to be, and everything in between, just like the Arca Bulls team does. Abner, thank you for your donation, my brother. I really appreciate you coming on by, and I can't tell you how much I am happy to see you, dude. And I hope you and your family are good. All right, my brother. But yes, hedge fund killers, I got you, buddy. Thank you so much for. Yeah, I know, man. Look at that thing, dude. Yeah, huge potential on this ticker. But let me go ahead and continue. So remember, guys. Yes, we have three definite formations here leading towards a potential continuation. The next formation here is this. Check this out. This was already giving us the hint back here. This was the 5-day candle printed on April 12th. Remember when I was telling you that I'm already seeing weird signs coming out of GME? April 14th, the Arca Bulls trading team was all over this like freaking ants on a cake. Guys, we were already looking at it like, yo, something's up here. Something is up here. All right, so we were already getting the signal here from AMC, and this thing just rips. Remember that this was not the all-time. I'm sorry, this wasn't the high. It was actually 1340 in the pre-market, right? So let's go ahead and now look at the next signal that we have here. This is what I mentioned by the three different types of signals that AMC has to offer. Guys, the outside bar is absolutely real too. Let me show you how. I'm going to zoom in like crazy, and I'm going to show you where the outside bar is. Look at this. Right there. Here's the wick. I'm going to point it at it for you with an arrow. Right here. That's the wick right there. And it's below this red one right here. Right? You see that red one? I'm going to get my mouse out of the way so that you can see that wick. I'm just going to line the cursor over it. See that? That makes it a green outside bar. Typically, when you get a green outside bar closing in that manner, that usually shows a continuation to the upside. Typically, when you get a downside in price action and then you start printing a hammer candle on that downside, you get a reversal. And we got everything there. Tweezer bottom, inverted hammer, outside bar. We have the trifecta in there, guys. There could be continuation to the upside on this ticker. Okay, I want you to make sure to practice the financial markets the right way. Make sure to practice risk management. Do not bet what you're not willing to lose, okay, you guys, because this can get very, very dangerous. Next signal that I wanted to talk to you about is this. Let me get rid of the indicator there and put together here this line. So what you're noticing here is a complete decline in volume, but the decline is happening alongside price action declining too. So what does that mean? When price action declines like this and volume declines on this, that means that the short thesis is starting to find some weakness. Why would it find weakness at this bottom side here, though? Let's go to the daily and find out. Here's your daily time frame, and let's zoom in and find out what the heck is going on around that area there. We have gaps in there, right? We have areas that we can find as an area for demand before price action finds a support before it can bounce back to the upside. Whether this is going to bounce to a massive upside, I don't know. But what I can tell you is that I already have targets mapped out for us to take a look for, including the GME play. And they're already showing valid. I freaking love it. Guys, If you want to know how to trade the financial markets the right way, make sure to get in touch with me for the 4 to 5 week crash course mentorship. I've dumbed it down from an 18 to 19 week mentorship program down to a 4 to 5 week program, and I'm going to give you options for continuation into strategies mentorship. Get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com, and let's go ahead and post that link again for the Discord here. Now, guys, let me just go ahead and ask you here in the chat right away, what other, we now know that Barnes & Noble, right, is going to have some moves here. We're going to get a bunch of other tickers here that have the short thesis applied to it, are going to rip to the upside. But what, other than AMC, Barnes & Noble, and I know about BCAN too, right? But what other than GME, AMC, and Barnes & Noble do you think is going to rip to the upside in the coming days? I want to know what your opinion is. Dive in the chat right now and let me know what you think the next ticker is going to be to explode just like AMC and GME. Ian Tucker saying GTI. Sebastian Lim, my analyst, is saying MMV. Guys, let's go ahead. Participate right now. Go ahead and throw those tickers into the chat. I want to know what tickers you think is going to rip, right? So AMC, you own Highcroft Mining. Gold is up. Does that help? Yes, actually, I believe silver is due for a pretty good move to the upside. Concepts. Somebody was talking about BlackBerry as well. Moving kind of like AMC and GME were moving. What the hell? Now, Headstrong Killer saying Kodak is a sneaker. BLMK, Hound, thank you so much. Options is going up. So Joe H, that's the one, dude. We need to take a look at that with the analysts. INSG, I am a fan of it, so let's go ahead and put a thread of analysis on that as well. I want to know what's going to run like AMC and GME, man. Like FFIE. What's the next play that's going to get us this, guys? Because while AMC and GME put together, oh, you know what we could do too? We're going to pull up the options flow here for GME and AMC. Hold on. We need to take a look at that as well. So I'm going to log into my options flow calculator and we'll pull together. Yeah, we're going to pull together here the options information. Let's see. Clove? No way. That's bad. Taking it back. 441 is where it was. Okay. Yes, concepts. It is a pattern. What the heck is that sound? All right. So SNDL and Coda. I'm wondering if Sundial is going to do its thing again. But remember that we were already getting signs to move, what was it? A GDC? The cannabis stocks were already running too. So Shiba and Doge also, if you want to tie. What the heck is that? Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. I mean, if Elon Musk mentions Doge, you know Shiba's going to run too. But yeah, man, I completely believe it. Hedge Fund Killer's telling me BCAN. Yeah, I have BCAN on my list too. What about this? Have any of you, I don't know about this chart just yet, but have any of you heard, and CoinFox actually told me, nah, so I don't know, the workforce ticker, WHKS, and Double X is telling me KOSS, KOSS. Okay, so ones that I'm seeing mentioned a lot right now, guys. What about Curve? Yeah, I remember Curve. But do these have the same rip? Like, do these have the same rippery that AMC and GME have? Can they do that move? Because here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. A lot of people have been coming up to me and they say, well, you know, Arca, I wish I had more capital so that I could dive in deeper onto these tickers while we do whatever. Guys, if GME and AMC are just doing their little dance right now, please remember that we have other tickers that we can play to get that money so that we can play the opportunities when they do present themselves. Big time upside. Consistency and simplicity saying Tilray barely moved, more bullish reclassification as strictly medical, and they're the 5th largest brewer in USA. Bullish. That is pretty cool. So Tilray. So Concepts is saying Nokia. Aurelio's. Oh, guys, you know what? Steven is right. Check it out. CENN is another one of those tickers too. I remember somebody was talking about that recently. Concepts is saying GME and AMC is life. I love it, guys, and that's what we're doing here, right? That's what we're doing here. If we're able to kind of leave our per se the long hold, right? I'm not a personal person that trades the absolute hold for the moon. I definitely trade it, guys, okay? But you know me, I'm a short-term trader. But if there is a way for you to leave a certain amount of stocks in a lower valuation, right, and let them ride all the way towards that top, and you want some more money to put in there without digging into your pocket that much, this is what we do in the trading team. We make sure to play other assets, bring in the liquidity, and fill up our portfolios for better opportunities. GME sitting at 24.57. Very nice. So we have sorry guys, let's see. I have a few others. So BlackBerry, yeah, double X. People were talking about BlackBerry too. Let's see. So XVX Casca is saying Curve has an ascending trend from a bottom, and I can't remember at the moment, but has a crazy short interest. Curve. Is that the Torrid ticker? Okay, hold on, because this feels like it's gonna. This feels like it may actually top out, right? Well, let me. Oh no! Whoa! This is a very bearish formation, but it's breaking out from it. So this has two potentials. This either turns into what's called a wolf pattern, gives you a bottom side target of around 472, or this starts breaking out towards the top. And then it gives you something along the lines of the highest valuation could be, this is your breakout candle right here. So around 656, the highest it could possibly go before it short squeezes or whatever else. And also the highest it can go based on the formation. Secondary target could be right about 615. And then your, and then your breakout target, which would be this one right here. We already met it. I think we did. Right about there. So let's go ahead and move that. And move this out of this. Yeah, we already met it. Actually, on Friday. So these are your three potential targets. Your second one is coming up. 616 if it's not already there, right? Yeah. So this feels like it could be making an upside move. Heads up on this, right? Huge inverted head and shoulders too, man. Damn. If that's really the case, this thing would be going to. Does it have it? Wow. Yeah, it does have it. It would be going to around $8. Careful with that one, though. Careful with that one, okay? But Carlos Gomez saying MPW. What's MPW? Do we have any upside on this? Let's see the 12-hour. We want to find the next one to rip like AMC, man, because there could be a pattern here. Everything is running just like AMC and GME. We already kind of identified Barnes and Nobles. That could be another one. Let's go. Keith Lanter, you think ZJYL still's got more in it? GWAV, that was one that one of my students played and she killed it. So this one feels like it's a little bottomed out. Let me see. Let's see the 4-hour. Most importantly, right? The 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's actually oversold. If this pops out with any type of catalyst, then there could be a pretty nice move towards the upside on this. But it is currently ladder attacking right now, right? This is a dead cat bounce. The target for that dead cat bounce could be located at about 479. So heads up on that one. There's still people talking about PEGY as well. PEGY, is that running like AMC and GME? Let's see. Oh yeah, it did have its upside, right? Let me look at the daily on this. GG, what's up, buddy? Good to see you there, man. That is not the best print in the world, guys. Peggy is sitting on a bearish engulfing. This means that there could be some further downside to look at. Let's see, 1054 close, 948 after hours. I would say your support bottom is around 755 to around 854. We got to see if this thing still has potential for the upside. The buy daily and the 3-day stochastic momentum versus it shows that it still sort of has it. Yeah, but it probably needs to come down and validate some supports first, right? That's another one too we played. CGC, that was the cannabis stocks, right? CGC was another one that kind of ripped to the upside. This potential. Let me see, an upper bound bull flag maybe. Oh crap! I think it's still there. Guys, if CGC goes, that has a measured move of about 22.16, it would be above. Damn, yeah, I would say this is the resistance for that. I mean, we have to validate this, but I can't believe it's actually making the continuation. 1925, yeah, 1925 to about 22.29. Damn, dude, let's go. Wait. Let me see the volatility versus momentum on. Let me see the daily. Okay, it has the upside. Let me see the 4 hour. What? Can it do it or what? It is oversold in the immediate short term. How? Yeah. So we have we have downside for the immediate short term. That means coming back down to. I would say I'm gonna put a discretionary support here for you. So it's not quite ready for the burst, but it is showing that there could be one. I would say this is your support, 1036 to 1041. Secondary low would be right about, I would say right about here. 946 to 985 with a focus on that 50% of 966. Right, so that could be one too. SBFM, what's that one saying? I don't know, man. I think SBFM looks like it has thrust already moving into the 4. Let me see. The trends. Oh, there it is. It has, bro. I will say these wicks here. That looks a little weird, right? That could show weakness. I like the fact that you're getting a little bit of expansion here. You're getting an upside tick on the 6 hour. Your 8 hour time frame is barely about to get it. This is, in my opinion, unless it has a catalyst, it's not going to rip. I wouldn't see this, or I wouldn't deem this as quite ready just yet. I know it's completely oversold. This can be set for a continuation onto the upside, but that is going to be dependent on a few things. Usually, when you have tickers sell off like this, wait for the SMA 50 to realize its support conversion. Right here it is. We're still resisting from the SMA 50. As soon as we break above the SMA 50, not typical for it to do it on the second try. This is 1, this is 2. Wait for 3 and 4. The 4th time usually validates a break above the SMA 50, and that starts to lead up. It's not quite ready, but it is a potential. Dude, good. Yeah, man, good call on that. So, Gar, dude, 2477. That's GME sitting at 2477. Let's see. That came, let's see, we were at, where were we? 2477. Let me map it out right here. Oh, getting so close to our target, you guys. We have a 2515. Very nice. And yeah, we completely beat the 2452 target. We're now at 2477. I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, it's just above this now. Nice. I love it. So Al Bellin saying hi, Arca. Hi, everyone. I'm new here. Old school ape in AMC. My brother, dude. Guys, that's actually, yeah, man. Me too. Me too. From the OGs, from the very OGs back then, man. Me too. Central Ohio, PIX. What is that one again? Dude, Pixie, I heard a lot about it too. I'm not sure where it's sitting, but who knows? What if it does rip? It does have those massively oversold damn, look at the life of that ticker. Guys, look at this. What the heck? Let me just get rid of that. Oof. That's been going and going. Landon saying, Arca brother, can you tell me what you're seeing on MPW? You tell me, buddy. What is it? Check it out. This is your test 1 of the SMA 50, test 2, test 3 and 4. This is your test 5 and breakout. That's what I was telling you. Wait for it. Just hold off on this, dude. Hold on. No. That's not what I'm looking for. That is not what I'm looking for. Yeah, you know what, guys? Do me a favor. CoinFox, thank you so much, buddy. Saying challenge 20 donos in 20 minutes to extend the stream. I will say this. Do it like this. If I'm your burger guy, right? If I'm your burger joint, throw the tip in there and order your burger, and I'll look at and I'll make it for you. You know what I mean? So here it is. Let me take a look at that real quick, man. Yeah, it looks like a descending formation here. Breakout is already in progress. Oh yeah, support. Is this dude, this is a very lucky shot on this one, I will say. Yeah, this is a falling wedge here. You got your targets lined up, buddy. I hope you're already long this ticker. This is your breakout target here. This is your mid target right about here. And your higher target would be this one here with lesser probability, that is. But I'll give you them. Your first target, breakout target, would be about $2.06. Second target would be located at $2.13. Your third target will be located right about $2.30. Pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, do you have the upside? Freaking hell yeah, you do. It looks like it's coming in. Hold on. Some downside? No. Oh shit. Nice. Yeah, immediate short-term time frame downside. You got to come back and validate some supports. It looks like you're going to come back down to the areas of about 182. About 180. Yeah, 182 to about 180. You get that bottom side here, man. That thing feels like it's going to start ripping towards that upside. Yeah, confluence here at the SMA 200 3-hour time frame. I would say this goes anywhere between 213 to around 231. Bro, you're at 180. This is great. Oh, yeah, man. I love it. I love it. Guys, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to support the Arca Bulls trading team so that we can continue onwards and forwards and continue bringing in more people so that we can get this freaking thing, that we can get these retailers to trade the financial markets the right way. Treat me like your burger guy, you guys. Throw in a chat, throw in a super chat in there, and I'll make your burger for you. Where is guys? Let me know where GME is right now. OGG, I see you. Hold on. You're saying I'm watching. 3 months or two. I want to know. Yeah, you know what? One of my analysts is starting to tell me to do a month free to the Arca Bulls trading team. All right, yeah, let's do that. We're getting let's see. What am I going to ask here? What am I going to ask? So we're gonna do a little bit of a giveaway here. We're gonna do a little bit of a MVV, right? I got you, buddy. Let me take a look at MVV here. Dono coming in from Sebastian Lim. We'll take a look at that ticker for you, buddy. This is it right here, right? Mid cap 400. Susan Michaels. Oh, I love you so much. Thank you so much. All right, so let's do this, guys. I'm gonna give away 1 month for free to the Arca Bulls trading room if you can answer my question, okay? But I'm going to figure out what the question is going to be. So analysts in the Discord, let me know what question you want me to ask. And first one to answer it is going to get a month for free in the Arca Bulls trading room. I got to tell you this, guys. Yes, it does cost 33 cents a day, or equivalent, like Ian Tucker says, equivalent to a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee, damn it, right? Per month. So he's telling, guys, many people came in for the first time on Friday, Thursday and Friday, and they paid, with the first trade they initiated with us, they probably paid for the next 7 years of their membership. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead, analysts, let me know, CoinFox, OGG, I'm gonna go ahead and let's brainstorm here. What question am I gonna ask to the YouTube for the opportunity to win a month for free? And you know what? Let's do 2 different questions. Right, we're gonna do 2 different questions so we can allow 2 different people win the opportunity to get into the Arca Bulls trading team for a month each. So MMV Sebastian, that's it. I'll look at it. All right. So, but here's going to be, okay, what's the question though? Are we going to do the question as in, fundamentals, or is it going to be something that's going to be technical? All right. I'm going to circle back. I'm going to circle back to you guys, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at that question. Guys, we're going to go ahead. They're going to brew up a couple of questions, and we're going to give 2 opportunities here for 2 YouTube members to join the Arca Bulls trading team for free for a month each. So I'm going to circle back to the guys, and and then we'll go ahead and move on. So somebody just asked me what the targets are for AMC. So I'm looking at a potential $5.11 target, but it does have a few others as well. Let me see if I can get them here for you, right? Yeah, actually, yeah, that was the first. We need to combat this, buddy. You're asking me. Yeah, we need to combat this. If we start convert, let me see how close it is to a conversion. Let's see this on a daily. Hold on, I got you. Okay. Yeah, your upper bound targets beyond 511, 532 to 548. You start converting this into a support. Break this, convert into a support. We're bouncing to the next resistance. That's going to be right in here to about 612 to 586. And guys, I'm going to get the options flow ready here so that we can look at the open interest changes and see how that's moving. Let me see. Yeah, I know. I agree, CoinFox. Check out the question that options just asked. Should I? All right. Let's do. You know what? Off Grid Gorilla has the first question here. All right, you guys. So we're gonna ask the first question. No. I'm gonna do Off Grid Gorilla's question. So if whoever answers this question first is gonna get a free month access to the Arca Bulls trading team with us. All right. So here's the question. Are you guys ready? Here's the question. What is a covered call? Go. Whoever answers that first is going to get the first free month. Go. What is a covered call? Guys, watch the YouTube stream. You tell me who points it out first, okay? GME, Sebastian, let me know what GME is. Let me know where GME is at. 25.29. Ian Tucker said, not a naked one. Oh, boy. Oh, dude, Grumpkin saying has the stock, man. 25.22 is where GME is currently sitting. Come on, guys. All right. So right here, Immortal is saying covered call is someone that sells the stock that holds it. What do you mean? You guys need to elaborate. It's close enough. You guys need to elaborate. So, okay. All right. Listen, you know what? So I don't know who that is, but sell options you own or yes, that's the one. That person answered it, okay? All right, you guys. You know what? I'm just to. So the first one to come in was actually A.SA. Let's siphon this person, right? Who is that? Let me go ahead and join the Discord and let me know that you were the winner, man. All right. That was a good. Yes. Good answer. And Matt Barron said, dude, my bro, good to see you here, man. Yeah, you guys are all, yes. You guys are all answering it correctly. Yes, you are the one with the popcorn. I got you, buddy. So go ahead and here's the link to join the Arca Bulls trading team, right? Hit that link and let me know that you were the one. I'm going to come by. I'm going to see you there, okay? I see you guys pouring in. Guys, remember, we still have one more question. Remember, we still have one more question that we're going to ask, and we're going to give another member here a chance to get into the Arca Bulls trading team for free once again, all right? So just make... guys, that was good. That was good. So guys, remember, we're going to try to do Chris follower. Yes, Christ follower. Sorry, buddy. Yes, BIG for big lots, right? That's another one that we're kind of talking about. So, but yes, just like CoinFox is saying, right? Let me just go ahead and flip it over here. Just like CoinFox is saying, treat me like your burger guy, right? Come by to the burger stand, order your burger, and I'll go ahead and look at it for you. But you got to tip your burger guy, man. I love you guys. But anyway, who are we going to give that next free opportunity to? Let's see. I'm coming on to the questions down here on the let's see. Okay. I mean, we could do that one too. You know what? I'm even down to do 2 more if that's is Arca gay? No, man. But I'm down to do 2 more questions. I am. We'll give 3 away. Screw it. We already just gave 1 away. We're gonna give 2 more opportunities away for the next 2 people to get into the Arca Bulls trading team for free for a month. Okay. So I'm waiting for. I'm sorry. I don't know what your username is in here. A.SA. Let's see. I need to know, buddy. Yeah. You need to join. You need to join so you can come by. Smooth brain challenge, says Gunner. All right. So I'm gonna come back here to the analysts. We're gonna choose the next question, guys. Remember, for those of you who are joining the Arca Bulls trading team right now, make sure to join with your laptop or with your PC. Hit the server shop on the top left. And then you'll be able to, as soon as you subscribe, everything will be accessible through your phone. All right, so CoinFox, critic, CoinFox. That is a great question. No. The first one. Yes, that is a great question, guys. I need you to get ready. Buy your keyboards here. Because I'm going to give you consistency and simplicity is telling us that AMC is at 467 right now. Thank you. And I can't believe GME just ran up further. Okay, you guys. So here is the next question. But I know you're here, right? But I need you to join the Arca Bulls team and tell me that it was you. Right? So come on by. And yeah. So, okay, here is the next question that we're going to put out for the team for a chance. Remember, we got 2 more questions to go, guys. For a chance to win a free month into the Arca Bulls trading team. Are you ready? Because I'm about to ask it. Here we go. What is an SSR? Sam, Robert. What is an SSR on a stock? What is it? Go. Answer it. Put it in. Shawshank racist. Shawshank Redemption, fool. Oh my goodness. Guys. Yes, Grumpkin. Grumpkin, I totally saw you typing like Okay, guys. Grumpkin is the first to get it. Congratulations. Guys, you got to answer this fast, okay? So, guys, we still have 1 more opportunity for the next person to win a chance to get into the Arca Bulls trading team for free. So, Grumpkin, hit that link. Yes, that's right. Guys, I'm surprised all of you know it already, man. Good. So, Grumpkin, hit that link. Join me there. Come on by. Oh, man. Yes, and you know what, Alan, you are probably the person who has answered it more accurately, right? But yes, you're right. You cannot short on a downtick. You have to wait for a shorting on an uptick. Gunner said what they said. Every one of you are winners, man. That is incredible. So Landon is saying, who can Google the quickest? Guys, I know. You look at this guy, man. He actually wanted to extend the live stream further, right? I love it. Guys, next question, right? We still have one more. We still have one more question for you to answer, right? And we're going to be able to get the next person in to the Arca Bulls trading team for free. We're going to try to do giveaways here, right? At least once a week, man. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's up. Let's put down the next question. Okay, Ian. Hey, CoinFox, check out Ian's question. That's actually a really good question. But guys, when I ask you the question, I need you to answer the question immediately in the shortest form possible, right? I need you to answer it in the fastest way possible, even if it's short, but it needs to be what it basically is, all right? But it has to be correct. Okay, yeah, you know what? That is kind of tough, right? All right. Let's not do that one. Let's see. We're coming up with the next question here. Please remember, stick around for a chance to get into the Arca Bulls trading team for free for a month. We have one more question for those of you who are going to answer it really quick. You know, I mean, we did two easier ones. We could options. We did two easy ones. We could do that. We could. Well, let's see. Let's see what question is going to be. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't do so. It's got to be something faster than that, Coin. Let's do something faster. Let's do a faster question. Let's see. We're going to ask one more question, you guys, and we want you guys to be able to come into the Arca Bulls trading room for free. We still have one more opportunity, so stick around. We're about to ask it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, fine. All right, critic. No, not a technical question. I think the question that CoinFox just put up is good. Oh, the OG, I already said it though. So I already said it. I know, I agree with you. I already said it though. Let me do the one that CoinFox put up. All right. Here's the last one here, guys. Here's the last question for a chance to get into the Arca Bulls trading team for free. And then we're gonna take a look at where the price action is for GME and AMC. We're gonna plot it out and see what's next. All right. You think, CoinFox, look at that question that Options is asking. Or what about People's J question? Should we ask that one instead for the chance to win? Let's see. Watch Roaring Kitty's meme in reverse. Yeah, that's right. We were just talking about this at the beginning of this stream, my buddy. Super cryptic. Yeah. All right. Well, Sebastian, let me know what the current. All right, screw it. We're going to come up with a question in 5 minutes, you guys, and we're going to ask it. So why don't we get the prices in for let's get the current price right now for AMC and GME. What is the price that is currently sitting at? I'm going to go ahead and jot it down here and plot it out. Let me know what that price is right now, guys. Can you say Irish wrist rush? Try to say that. Irish wristwatch. 5 times fast. Irish wristwatch. That is pretty funny. All right, guys. So Mark Roach is telling us that, oh my goodness, 2572. Whoa. All right. Did we have a 25? We did. Look at this, man. Here, just so you guys know, I tell you guys to always watch out for your 50% of returns. We are at 25.52 right now in GME and 24.77. 24.77 puts you, man, what the hell, buddy? Hold on. So we're not 25. Pennington, live mic. So, 437 is AMC right now. Hold on. Okay, let me get the AMC valuation first. 437 or 460? 437 or 460. Oh my goodness. So we're right around the close. 463. Damn. Is it really that volatile right now? What the heck is going on? Okay. All right. So if we're at that 463. Yeah. If we're currently at the 463 valuation for AMC right at this moment, that means that we're at resistance here. Quinn Fox, no one can hear you on the other side, so voice to me whenever you're ready. No, anyone that speaks in the Discord can't hear me. You guys, the YouTube can't hear you. Revolution. Here is the link, right? But we're gonna ask one more question for somebody to get in for free. We have one more, and we may do one. We may do another one in the coming week. Okay. That's gross. So trading 212 overnight, 2465 is okay, 2465 is GME. There we go. So we're still above our target number one. Okay, that's good. The next resistances for GME would be right up here at 2636. Let me see. Let me expand it a bit. Hold on. GME sitting at, you said 2465. 2465. That would be. Hold on, I'll give you the yeah. We're that's a key resistance that we're in right now, guys. I honestly think this thing will rip to around I think the next resistance would be 2604, right at this pivot here. To this pivot 2775. Sebastian. Okay. All right. Let me. All right. Fine. That sounds good. We got the question, guys. We got the question here, and it is a pretty simple one, okay? So, I'm going to close my screen, and I'm going to make a drawing here, and I want you to identify what formation that is, and when you notice what formation that is, say it as fast as you can for a chance to get in for free to the Arca Bulls trading team. All right, hold on just a sec. All right. Yeah. I could. Let me block the screen. Let me just make sure that I can see it blocked over there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm down. Okay. So, all right. Now, yeah, let me cover the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and present to you the formation, and I want you to tell me what formation or what the name of that formation is for a chance to win. For a chance to win a free month into the Arca Bulls trading team. Okay. Mark Roach, thank you, buddy. Okay. Actually, hold on. I'm going to circle it, and then you guys got to identify it, okay? As soon as I make the screen visible, tell me what candle formation it is for a chance to get into for free into the Arca Bulls trading team. All right, you guys? So, if we're going to fade it in, okay? Here's the hint before we answer it, or before you answer. I'm going to do it as I click the screen. I'm going to give you the hint. So make sure to answer super, super, super fast. All right? Here we go. I covered it in GME in my video at the beginning. What formation is that? Answer it, answer it, answer it. Go, 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 go. Steve's, no. What formation is it? What formation is it? I told you that it was a terrible name, yes, but it is what it is. Answer, what is it? What is it? No, it's not a bullish engulfing. Unwashed gash and piercing with upward momentum going into the 50-day antibiotic pattern, Head and Shoulders shampoo. No, okay, it is not an inverse head. You rock. Thanks so much for your team looking into big. Yes, we're going to look into that. It is not a morning star. Okay, it's not a tweezer, not a smiley face. There we go. Jason Harden, my bro. It is an abandoned baby. That is correct. All right. Everybody was coming up after this guy, man. So, okay, let me just make sure. No. Okay, it was actually Mark Roach, but Mark Roach, you're already in the freaking team. You're giving out the answers. Okay, so Jason Harden is, in fact, the first person to give us that answer. So, Jason, you have one entry into the Arca Bulls trading team. Make sure to hit that link, right? Join and tell me that it's you. Come in there and let me know that it's you. Also, for those of you who won, if you don't come into the landing pad and tell me that it was you, then I'm not gonna know, right? So make sure to come by, and everything will be good. Keith Lanter said it's an orphan. Candace Morrison said I said it was a dead baby. Okay, guys, if you cheat, you will be banned for life. Yes. Okay, I will absolutely destroy. So, guys, remember, if you want to trade if you guys want to trade the financial markets the right way, if you want to trade like the institutions do, seeing how we were able to put together these plays together and watching the price action together realize in real time. Remember, I've consolidated my 18-week mentorship program down to a 4 to 5 week crash course for beginners. Make sure to get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse at gmail.com. Act now because the enrollment is going to close soon. Okay? So make sure to get in touch with me as soon as you can. All right, you guys? Landon saying, when new masterclass? We're planning on starting in the first or second week of June. Okay, so please get in touch with me as soon as you can. This the chart that you're seeing right now is a 5-day chart. So guys, there's no way that we're not breaking 200 likes. Please do me the freaking favor right now, right? Do me the favor. Minimize your screen. Hit that freaking squeeze that like button right now. Squeeze it. Dude. Revolution saying, damn it, I'm burned out now. It sounds like a good Discord. Revolution, I gotta tell you, man, I know I'm being biased by telling you that it is a good one, dude, but you know what? If there are better ones, I hope there are. I hope there are. But I think we have a great set of analysts, a great set of people in there. Everybody's absolutely nice, and we're doing good, man. We're doing great. Susan Michael saying, this is the best Sunday night I've had in a long time. Thank you, everyone. Susan, I love you. Thank you so much for all of your support. You're absolutely amazing. That is so cool, you guys. Look, I'm just getting banned right now, guys. Okay, so really appreciate everybody for coming on by, team. Remember, for those of you who are members of the Arca Bulls trading team, you get to be part of the after party, right? Usually when we finish up here, we're able to open up the Arca Bulls trading team and continue talking the analysis, right? So, Susan, I don't know if you've already joined, but if you haven't, please go ahead and hit that link and come by because you have given me enough donations for you to be free for 2 months or something. I don't know. So guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate everybody for coming on by today. But yeah, guys, I think this is This is where we're gonna Jason. Oh, Jason, I got you, buddy. I see you there. Just give me just a second. I'll be able to come right back in. All right. So, but yeah, guys, thank you so much for all of your attention, for all of your support. Let's go ahead and hang around, and then we'll make sure to look at the financial markets tomorrow. We're gonna trade AMC and GME and all of the other tickers that we're looking for. Right? We'll be able to. Donald Young. It was actually a bullish play. So far GME's doing good. I think I'm bullish. So let's see what we can do. All right. Okay, you guys. So thank you so much for coming on out, and you have yourselves a very, very good rest of your night. And we'll talk to you soon. Cryptic Trader, naked chicks, booze, and after party. Let's go. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, 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 ever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good night and or day, and I'll catch you at the bell mañana. Adios! Fuck yeah!